Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 mouth-watering recipes that will delight your taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, these dishes are sure to impress. Good old-fashioned pancakes. First up, we have the classic pancake recipe, fluffy, golden, and oh, so delicious. Perfect for lazy weekend mornings. Banana bread. Let's make it juicy and flavorful. Taco Fiesta. Spice things up with our top taco recipes. From chicken to shrimp, these tacos are a fiesta in your mouth. Watermelon Delight. Cool down with our refreshing watermelon recipes. They're perfect for hot days. Chocolate chip cookies. Of course, we can't forget the ultimate comfort food, chocolate chip cookies. Homemade pizza. Pizza night just got better. Create your own pizza masterpiece with our easy recipe. Creamy Alfredo pasta. Indulge in velvety Alfredo sauce paired with perfectly cooked pasta. Fresh salsa. Brighten up any meal with our zesty homemade salsa. Decadent chocolate cake. Saving the best for last. Our rich chocolate cake. It's a celebration on a plate. Now that we've explored these incredible recipes, thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Which recipe will you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great and wonderful content.